Hey fellas, we have the circle saw of Makita and the lights come up, but the tool is not working. When the tool is turned on and it shows 0 voltage, okay, we have to reset it, and first thing we can see here is the definitely bonnet wire. That's not a good sign here. Okay, what I have done here, I have pressed the plug and soldered it. I don't know, I hope that will help to last everything longer. Now I will connect the wires, and then I will connect the both negative wires together to this one I made. Okay, this one here, so I will connect them. I have the space here, so I don't need to save a lot of space here. So, okay, I will do that and show the result. And finally I will connect the wires, so now I will try to run the saw. Okay. That's good. The saw is up and running, so we need to assemble it nicely back again. Okay, I have the space here and here, some gap here. Let's check if we can close it. Yep, we can close it. Okay, all the screws are in. And we have the washer here. And just holding the screw. Tightening the nut, and so now this one is just holding the blade guard. So definitely you need to adjust it how we like it. Okay, I need it a little bit more, I think. Okay. Putting the circlip on, checking if all the screws are glued in. Now it's spinning, so we can turn it on. Nice, we have it back running again. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.